What's up there, YouTube? Welcome back to Strickland Farms. If this is your first time clicking on a Strickland Farms video, I appreciate you clicking on it. Hope you enjoy it. We're just a small cattle and hay operation. We bale a lot of hay, but we sell a lot of hay too. We sell hay, and I originally started this operation for my cows, so I'd have hay for my cows because I struggled finding hay the first few years I did cows. But ended up picking up more fields, and just kind of blew into, I need to sell hay now. So now I've been selling hay for 3 years, and I really enjoy it. We like to bale hay. We love to ride tractors. So it's me, my dad, and my son. We have other folks help us. I got some buddies that help, but appreciate y'all clicking on the video today.
Welcome to Strickland Farms.
What I'm going to do right now, see if you can see it. So this water line right here above my head, whoop, right there. I cannot get my new 5075 cab tractor in here because of that water line and get this hay. Now, the feed line is also in the way from getting this row of hay right here. But I can get this row and this row with that 5075 if that water line's out of the way. So today we're going to cut this water line out of the way. I'm going to cut it down and just throw it on the ground, probably in between, right here in the center divider. This is coastal Bermuda. This is Alicia Bermuda. So this is our dividing line. So I'm probably going to throw that water line right here in the middle. So stay tuned. Probably just going to set up and do a time lapse. I think that would work. So, oh crap. Stay tuned. I'm probably going to try to just do a time lapse of me cutting this thing out of the ceiling. I'm going to have to use my truck because I don't have a ladder in here and I don't want to tow the ladder around. I just back my truck up. So, y'all stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. All right, change of plans. I just got a phone call from a man that has some shelled corn for me. So I've got my Versatote that I bought at C&B Outdoors in Athens, Alabama. I think it was Athens, Alabama. I drove up to Athens, Alabama and bought this thing, brought it home, right down the interstate. Drove 70 down through Birmingham, bouncing all over, but it works good. So it'll hold 5,000 pounds of feed. I like it. So I am headed to his house. He said he's got about a ton, maybe a little over, maybe a ton and a half of shelled corn. So I'm gonna go get it and start them calves mixing corn in with the sweet feed that I'm feeding those calves. So yeah, this is a lot cheaper than that CPC I was talking about. That CPC, I think that was the last video, maybe the video before. CPC's $405 a ton right now at my local co-op, and corn's, we'll say market value is $670 a bushel, but which they're higher because they got to make money off of it, but still a lot cheaper than that CPC. So stay tuned. I may get some footage of that. We'll see.
Some of these lights are like dirty.
Yeah, no, that's why we're not going to turn them on. We don't want to risk burning hay. All right, everybody. So we've got 3 water lines down in here, the 2 center and the one on the other side. So now William's going to cut this one so we can get it out. God, the dust. All right, cut that top cable. You ain't gotta cut it that high up.
Can't get it open.
Alright. Now William's just gonna go down and snip off every cable that's holding this water line up, and it'll fall. Alright everybody, we loading up hay to go make a delivery. Me and William ran out of daylight yesterday, so I didn't get to show y'all finishing the water lines down. I'll try to finish that up today. It's Friday afternoon. We got to make a hay delivery and got to feed cows and check cows. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we strapped down, loaded up, strapped down. Just to go make a hay delivery. Come on, William. We'll film rolling them off by hand. So stay tuned.
Daddy wants. Let the tailgates down. Just at home. Can we push?
Yeah.
Wait, here? We're pushing it out here? Yes. You gonna move it? Oh. Now we have to.
No, wait. Let's go a little further.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, moving. Now we can pull over there. Dad, we're staying back there. There's a donkey.
The donkey's in the back. That's a mule.
My favorite. What's the difference?
A mule is a cross between a horse and a donkey. I think. Now, I may be wrong on that. I don't know. A mule's a cross between a horse and a mule.
What's a mule?
That's a mule. Stick it through the fence, Catherine. No, you're not. There you go. Put your hand through there. You can hold it.
My favorite is this one.
Well, give that mare some, too. She wants some.
Where? What's a mayor?
A female.
You have it like that.
Okay.
I could do this all day.
All right, William, give it some to the brown one right there. That's the mare. All right, Catherine, that's enough. No, William's feeding her. And this other gelding.
Listen. Come with me. Oh, it's crunchy. Sounds so good.
Stick it through the fence. You're so scared. You brought somebody new though. Whoop, they ate all the corn.
They like the corn. What is cinnamon doing? Are we selling cinnamon? Are we butchering them? No, we're keeping cinnamon. We just got all the cash.
All right, YouTube, that's gonna wrap the video up for today. I got some more cow feeding footage that I did today, but it's just gonna make the video too long, so I'm trying to keep it down below 15 minutes. So that'll be on the next video. So I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you click the thumbs up. I'm trying to drive. And subscribe. Leave me a comment. Have a good one.